Hello Puppet fans! And welcome to this lecture. In this section we will learn about the Puppet module directory structure. Modules are self-contained bundles of code and data with a specific directory structure. These reusable, shareable units of Puppet code are a basic building block for Puppet. Puppet automatically loads all content from every module in the module path, making classes, defined types, and plugins, such as custom types or facts, available. You can download and install modules written by Puppet or the Puppet community from the Puppet Forge. Every Puppet user should also expect to write at least some of their own modules. Modules must have a valid name and be located in module path. A default modules path is etc/puppet/code/environments/$environment/modules. Module names should contain only lowercase letters, numbers, and underscores, and should begin with a lowercase letter. Modules have a specific directory structure that allows Puppet to find and load classes, defined types, facts, custom types and providers, functions, and tasks. Each module subdirectory has a specific function. Not all directories are required, but if used, they should be in the following structure. Data contains data files specifying parameter defaults. Examples contains examples showing how to declare the module's classes and defined types. Facts.d contains external facts, which are an alternative to Ruby-based custom facts. These are synced to all agent nodes, so they can submit values for those facts to the Puppet master. Files contains static files, which managed nodes can download. Functions contains custom functions written in the Puppet language. Lib contains plugins, such as custom facts and custom resource types. These are used by both the Puppet master and the Puppet agent, and they are synced to all agent nodes in the environment on each Puppet run. Locales contains files relating to module localization into languages other than English. Manifests contains all of the manifests in the module. Inside manifest, init.pp class, if used, is the main class of the module. This class's name must match the module's name. Readmes, the module's readme localized into languages other than English. Spec contains spec tests for any plugins in the lib directory. Tasks contains Puppet tasks, which can be written in any programming language that can be read by the target node. Templates contains templates, which the module's manifests can use to generate content or variable values. Types contains resource type aliases. Now let's take an example of Puppet Labs Apache module. Apart from these directories, a module can have other files specific to that module or for all the modules, like metadata.json. Your modules should always contain a metadata.json file, which tracks important information about the module. It provides you the information about name, version, author, summary, license, source, project_page, issues_URL, and the dependencies for that module. README file. A README file is a documentation of that module. Then you have license file. Lint file, for syntax check. RSpec, for unit testing. Contributing.md for the list of module contributors, and rake file, history, MD, and so on. Okay. So in this section we have learned about the Puppet module directory structure. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have time, feel free to move on to next lecture.